Good afternoon, everybody. Today I am delivering my talk on importance of fungi. As you all know that fungi are microscopic to macroscopic, achlorophyllous and spore-bearing organisms. Fungi having many positive and negative aspects. Today I am only talking on positive aspects of the fungi. Please note that this lecture is prepared only for undergraduate and postgraduate students, not for researchers and teachers. First, uses of the fungi agriculturally, agro-based uses of fungi. Mushroom cultivation. Many fungi are famous as mushrooms, and these mushrooms are nothing but the edible fungi. For example, Agaricus, Volvariella, Pleurotus, Morchella, Termatomyces. These are the most common example of edible mushrooms. 21 to 30%, these mushrooms having 21 to 30% proteins, vitamins, amino acids and minerals. They are good food for the heart patients because they having low cholesterol, and diabetic patients because they having the less sugar content. Next use of the fungi is nitrogen fixing. Like bacteria and algae, the fungi also having ability to fix atmospheric nitrogen in the soil. Example is yeast and rhodotorula. Some fungi increase the soil fertility because they decompose the organic waste, and this biodegradation maintain the humus condition, and it is very useful to the crop health. Biological controlling of the diseases. It is modern, novel, eco-friendly and low-cost method using to control plant pathogens. Many fungi having ability to control pathogenic fungi, soil nematodes, insects, viruses and bacterial pathogens. Example, trichoderma, which kill the armillaria fungi, which causes the root disease. Then arthropods, Protoascus, Dictylaria, they kill the soil nematodes. Isaria, Acersonia, Septobasidium kill the insects. Then Aspergillus, Fusarium, Helminthosporium, they kill the viruses. Fungi in industries. Majority fungi are used in bakery industries for the fermentation, means preparation of the breads, cakes, etc. They are used in the wineries. Yeast used as a biological fermenting agent in alcohol fermentation. Now the medicinal application of the fungi. First is the antibiotics. Sir Alexander Fleming discovered antibiotic penicillin. It is the first wandering drug of the world in 1928, and due to his discovery he got the Nobel Prize in 1945. There is a huge list of fungal antibiotics, but due to time limitations I have taken very few examples of antibiotics. Antibiotic penicillin, which is extracted from the Penicillium notatum and Chrysogenum cutomine, it is extracted from the Cutomium. Then Graciofulvin, extracted from the Penicillium graciofulvum. Then antibacterial fungi, usnic acid extracted from the lichens, then cyathin complex extracted from the cyathus, then antifungal as well as the antibacterial property. Example of the fungus is the Armillariella, which is the soil fungus. Now fungi as insecticides, means these fungi having anti-insecticidal properties. For example, Biorina, Bassiana, Metarhizium, they control the caterpillars and wheat bulb flies. Then fungi Coelomyces, which kill the aquatic fungus as well as they kill the mosquito larvae within a very short time. Now organic acids. They play important role in food processing industries as well as the food ingredients. Most common organic acids are citric acid, gallic acid, gluconic acid, fumaric acid, lactic acid as well as the oxalic acid. They are extracted from the Aspergillus, Penicillium, Mucor, Rhizopus, Aspergillus respectively. Enzymes having great value in pharmaceuticals, then agricultural, food, paper, detergent, textile, waste treatment and petroleum industries. Some fungal enzymes are enzyme amylase, which is extracted from the Aspergillus niger and Aspergillus oryzae. Enzyme invertase extracted from the Alternaria and Saccharomyces. Enzyme zymase is extracted from the yeast. Now vitamins. Vitamins are very important for the healthy life of human beings. Vitamin B, thiamine, riboflavin, vitamin B12 and vitamin A are extracted from the fungi, Saccharomyces, then Erythrothecium, Rhodotorula, respectively. The hormones. The hormones are medicinally, agriculture as well as agriculturally and useful in the human health. For example, gibberellin, this hormone is extracted from the Gibberella fusicorae, then trisporic acid extracted from the Mucor mucoido and Conophora trispora fungus. Now the fungi as food for the insects. Many fungi and wood-boring insects consuming the mycelium of wood-rotting fungi as a food material. So in forest, mycelium of the food-rotting fungi act as a food for the insects. Fungi and pigmentation. Neocercosporin, which is the reddish violet crystals which is produces by the Cercosporina cucuci fungi. These pigments are very useful in food industries as a coloring agent and in textile industries and in cosmetic industries. Fungi as luminescence. Bioluminescence is the ability of an organism to produce visible light in the dark. Many members of Basidiomycetes, for example Armillaria melia, shows bioluminescence used as a ornamentals and path makers at night. Symbiotic association of the fungi. It is one of the very important aspect of the fungi. Most common symbiotic association examples are the lichens as well as the mycorrhiza. Fungi, Amanita, Boletus, Phallus, Trichoderma, Scleroderma, these are the ectomycorrhizas. They enhance the growth of seedlings. Nutrient like phosphorus, nitrogen, potassium, calcium easily absorbed by the fungal hyphae and then passed to the root tissue. Fungi as a research tool. Fungus Neurospora uses to study of various fundamental processes of the genetics. This fungus is very fast growing, so that it is a very ideal material for the genetical studies. These are the some important fungal applications, agricultural as well as the industrial. Thank you.